In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google AdSense to your YouTube account, a complete step-by-step guide that will set you up for monetizing your YouTube channel successfully. Monetization can be an excellent way to generate income from your content, and by linking your Google AdSense account to YouTube, you can start earning from advertisements displayed on your videos. Let's dive into this quick and straightforward process. First things first, head over to YouTube's website, open your web browser and type in youtube.com to reach the homepage. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to monetize. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that now. Once you're on YouTube and logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options that pertain to your account settings and YouTube preferences. From the drop-down menu, you need to select YouTube Studio. It's usually right there toward the top of the list. Clicking on YouTube Studio will take you to the back-end interface where you can manage your channel's content, analytics, and settings. It's a powerful tool for any content creator, providing all the insights and controls you need. Now that you're in YouTube Studio, focus your attention on the left-hand menu, scroll down a little and you'll see an option labeled Earn. Click on that. This section is dedicated to everything related to generating revenue from your videos, including setting up ads and memberships. Once you're in the Earn section, you'll notice several options and features that concern your channel's monetization. What we're focusing on here is getting a notification to link your account to Adsense. Look for a button or link labeled Get Notified. Clicking on this feature will enable YouTube to connect with your AdSense account automatically, initiating the process of monetizing your channel through advertising. After clicking to get notified, you'll effectively signal to YouTube your readiness to proceed with AdSense setup. It's crucial to ensure that your AdSense account is in good standing, or create one if you haven't already, because it's through AdSense that you'll manage your earnings, tracking them and receiving payments. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through YouTube's interface to link Google AdSense with your channel. Just remember, monetization also comes with a responsibility to adhere to YouTube's policies and guidelines, ensuring your content remains suitable for advertisers. By following these steps, you're on your way to potentially generating income through your YouTube channel. Keep creating, keep engaging with your audience, and who knows, you could see those earnings start rolling in soon. Thanks for watching, and happy monetizing.